Welcome to easyayurveda.com. Today we are preparing a simple home remedy to relieve hiccups. In children, often repeated hiccups becomes a regular problem. Also, this hiccups problem is seen in elderly people also. So somebody is having hiccups for a long period of time, this home remedy is really useful. For this purpose, we are taking dry powder of katuki or Picrorhiza curro. This katuki we have already seen its use as a ingredient in home remedies for fever. It's having potent antipyretic effect, and it is also good for liver. Also, it's used very useful in hiccups also. So to relieve hiccups, just a pinch of this katuki is administered with honey for 2 to 3 times a day after food. This is really useful remedy to relieve hiccups. For more such home remedies, please visit easyayurveda.com.